You upload a photo of your dog. You ask, "What breed is this?" A second later, the AI answers, "Golden Retriever, sitting on grass, looks happy." So, it saw the photo, right? Not the way you did. The AI does process your image, but it doesn't perceive it like a human. No color, no fur, no dog. What actually happens is stranger. And once you get it, every AI that looks at pictures suddenly makes sense. Let me show you what really happens to that photo. Here's the first thing to drop. To a computer, your photo was never a picture. It's a grid of numbers. Every tiny dot, every pixel, is just 3 values: how much red, how much green, how much blue. Zoom in far enough and the dog is gone. No fur, no eyes, no grass, just a massive matrix of RGB values. That's all the machine ever gets. So the real question isn't, how does AI see? It's, how do you pull meaning out of a wall of numbers? For that, it borrows a trick it already uses for words. An AI reads a sentence by breaking it into pieces, tokens, small chunks it handles one at a time. Vision models do the same thing to your photo. They chop it into a grid of little squares, patches, and treat those patches like words. A photo becomes a sequence of patches, just like a sentence is a sequence of words. And there's a reason for it. Patches dramatically reduce the number of pieces the model has to process. Instead of dealing with millions of individual pixels, it works with a much smaller sequence of patches. But a patch doesn't politely cut around objects. One might contain part of an ear, another, some grass and a bit of shadow. They're just even squares laid over the image. The meaning comes later. And that's where it gets clever. Every patch gets converted into an embedding, a vector, a list of numbers representing its visual features. Think of that vector as a point in a high-dimensional space where visually similar patterns naturally end up closer together. Fur-like patches near other fur, grass near grass. And because chopping the image into squares throws away their original layout, the model also adds information about where each patch came from. So it knows the ear sits above the nose, not floating off on its own. But here's the catch. A patch on its own doesn't mean much. A brown blur could be fur, could be dirt, could be a couch. To know which, the model has to look at the patches around it. This is the part that makes vision models actually work. It's called attention. As it processes the image, the model naturally learns to give more weight to the patches with the dog's face and body, and less to the empty sky in the corner. Every patch gets to look at every other patch and ask, which of you helps explain what I am? The ear patch leans on the face patch. The face patch leans on the body. So each patch's final vector isn't just about that little square anymore. It's shaped by the whole image around it. That's attention. How the model works out how the pieces of a picture relate. But none of this works until the model has learned what to pay attention to. So how does it know fur is fur, or that an ear belongs to a face? It's trained. The model is shown millions of images paired with text, a dog photo with the words a dog, a beach with a beach, over and over. Each time it adjusts billions of tiny internal numbers, its parameters, nudging them a hair in the right direction. Over time, the model learns patterns that connect visual features with the words humans use to describe them. That's what sets up the final piece. Here's the reveal everything's been building to. Because of that training, the model can take what it sees and express it in a form language can work with. Pictures and words finally connected through numbers. So when you ask, what breed is this? The AI isn't recognizing fur the way you do. Its vision encoder turns your photo into embeddings, and the language model uses those embeddings to generate the words that best describe what it understood. Golden retriever on grass. It never saw a dog the way you do. It transformed an image into numbers, and those numbers into language. So, start to finish. Your photo becomes a grid of numbers. The numbers get cut into patches, each turned into a vector. Attention lets each patch learn from the others around it. Training taught it to connect what it sees with words, and the language model writes the answer. No eyes, no human vision, just numbers learning which ones belong together. Many modern vision systems, from image search to multimodal AI and even parts of self-driving cars, build on these same core ideas. And attention, the part that made it click? It's the very idea behind how AI reads text. If you want that one next, it's right here.